Hey everyone, it's Yoselin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup. It's also a step-by-step tutorial. I tried showing you guys exactly how I do everything. If you guys want to see how I do this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Start off by putting these clips in my hair. I'm going to start off with this Glossier Vitamin C Serum. I'm actually running out of it, so I don't even know how much I'm going to get out of this, but yeah. I just put 5 drops of this on my face. This is the moisturizer that I use. I use a lot of this because my skin's really dry right now because of winter time. My skin's going through it right now is what I'm trying to say. You can still see like the blemishes that I have there, and over here. Not sure why, because I was having really good skin. Like my last get ready with me, my skin was really clear. I'm gonna go in with this sunscreen. I go like this. This is how I measure it. I do 2 fingers and I just go like that. I think I saw that on Instagram. I'm gonna use this. This is an eye cream. I got this at Sephora in a little kit for like rewards, and I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. I use 3 concealers, so these are the 3 that I use. I don't know why. I use the Rare Beauty, the Item Beauty. I think they don't even sell this anymore, but I use this one, and then I use the e.l.f. Cameo. So first I go in with the Rare Beauty one, and I'm running out of it, but I put this under my eyes, and I put it on blemishes. Yeah. I go like this. Go on with this Merit brush. This is the best brush I've found to blend this out. I prefer this over a beauty blender, and I just blend it out. This is my favorite concealer. It has such a natural finish. Okay, so once I blend this one out, this one's like my base. The Cameo concealer I use for any blemishes that I have. I used to use a Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm pretty sure that one was breaking me out. And with the Item Beauty, I just put this one under my eyes, just like this. Not too much. e.l.f. concealer, I blend it out with the brush. I go in with this beauty blender and I do my under eyes. I kind of just blend them out. Okay, once that's blended out, my face is looking very pale. This is a setting powder I use. I'm actually running out of this. I'm literally running out of everything. But I don't have much to work with because I'm running out of it. It kind of depends. Sometimes I use a brush. So I kind of just put this all over my face, like the main part, but I just put it everywhere. For bronzer, I use the Rare Beauty one. It's very messy because I use it every day, but I go in with this brush. I cannot cover this no matter what I do, but I kind of use that as like a stencil. So above that, I put my bronzer. I kind of do an L shape, and I go on my forehead, and I do the same thing. There's a cat outside my window. And I get a little bit, and I go down here. The main part is the nose. I do a line under my nose, a line on top of my nose, and then 2 lines down my nose. And I just blend it out. Just try making sure there's not any harsh lines when I do my makeup. I use this one by Urban Decay. I feel like the powder just helps set it. I go in with this one by NARS. And I used to do it on the apples of my cheeks, but I don't do that anymore. Now I go with cheekbones, which is what I used to do. Probably too much. Same thing I do with the bronzer. I go in with a heavy hand. That's just what I always do, so yeah. I put it on my eyelids, and I also put it on my nose. Then I go in with my second blush. This one's by Burt's Bees. Oh my gosh, I think I did put too much. I'm gonna have to blend this out. Usually I do my makeup in the dark corner, so I can't really see what I'm doing. And right now I'm just like in front of this window, and I can see literally everything. I use this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. It's really good, and it's only like $3. See how my eyebrows are like very sparse in the ends? I don't know why, but they just are, and I fill it in. Just follow the hair. I'm not adding like any new shape to it. I'm just following the hairs that I have. Sometimes I'll fill in the front, sometimes I don't. Then we have the NYX brow glue. I just lightly put this in my eyebrows. Brush them up and they might look crazy right now, but they always fall down during the day. I use the ColourPop eyeliner, and I'm just gonna try this. That looks worse. That's like as good as we're gonna get. And I'm gonna do mascara. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. This is what brings the whole makeup look together, because without this, it does not look good. And make sure to curl them really good, but also make sure not to cut them, because I've done that before. The mascara I use is the Sky High Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline. Just like brush it through my eyelashes. If I did one eye, you guys can see what it looks like there, and then I go back in and I do the other eye. I kind of wiggle the brush and I make sure I get every eyelash. So this is the Rem Beauty lip liner in the shade Booked and Busy. Just outline my lips. I'm literally running out of so much of my makeup. I need concealer, powder, bronzer, my vitamin C serum. Oh, I'm also using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. I go in with this one in the shade Burgundy by NYX also. and I kind of just outline it too. I'm going for a second coat. Just wiggle the brush. I like my eyelashes to stick together. I feel like it makes them more noticeable. I'm going with another mascara, but before I do that, I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Just like this, very lightly. Do you guys see how that looks? Go in with the Telescopic mascara. This one's not waterproof. I've not tried the waterproof one, but maybe I will in the future. But I just add this one to the tips of my eyelashes. And I use this to like lengthen them. A lot of mascara on my eyelid, but I'll clean that up right now. And I also thought I should probably do this tutorial before I run out of all of my products that I use. I kind of just put on this mascara until I like how it looks. I'm gonna clean off all the excess mascara that I have on my eyelids. The last step to my makeup routine. Okay, so I just cleaned off the mascara. This is my makeup tutorial. This is what it looks like. This is how I do my makeup every day. It literally doesn't matter where I'm going. This is how I do my makeup. Hopefully you guys liked watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!